guys, back again. Rhonda with Solid Rock Painting. Robert is pressure washing off the driveway right now. He has already gotten the front of the house. Looks so much better. Down the brick. Looks good. Went all the way down to the other side. All the way up. He's got the gutters cleaned. Looking really good. The only thing they really need to do, it needs to be repainted. But other than that, it looks great. You can see the difference. Up here, he's not gotten yet, but how clean that came. Check on that corner right there. It looks really good. The front porch has been done. It's the driveway. He's almost reached the end. It's looking really, really good. Check you guys later. Bye.